It was very sad. You know, you feel the school's like the heart of the town.
I'm 2 News Oklahoma's Clifton Haskin. As a tornado came through Beggs on Friday, Beggs Public Schools is going to be closed for 2 weeks. But some parents say they're wondering what's next.
Because you see all these pictures being posted and, you know, it's scary.
Jessica Hazelwood is one of the many parents in Beggs left with questions after an EF3 tornado hit the school.
Everybody was just very worried.
The district announced on Saturday her kids, Bo and Brooklyn, are off March 9th through the 13th and the following week for spring break.
I do feel for the parents that need childcare for their little ones, but I think everybody understands that there's no way that they could open school right now.
The announcement comes just days after the tornado killed 2 people and caused damage across the community. School leaders offered their condolences to families that lost loved ones. They added they're working with emergency management and community partners to address the damage in the school.
The community's always been really good at coming together and then, you know, pushing forward.
District leaders say if everything goes as planned, students are expected to return to class on Monday, March 23rd. Until then, they will continue sharing updates through their website and social media as recovery efforts continue.
We just got to wait and see, and, you know, we'll get through it. We'll figure it out.
In Beggs, Clifton Haskin, 2 News Oklahoma.